All right, we got another opportunity here. And this one, become a thanker, be heard and get paid. So you can join their database here. Enter your information in the fields below, and we'll reach out about studies that they think you'll qualify for. If you would like to stay updated on studies without having to check back here, you feel free for the social to follow the socials. So go ahead and put in your information, your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, all of that good stuff. Your home address, your city, your zip code, all of that. If you have any children, date of birth, and additional information. And then you're going to click the submit button. And then once you do all of that, you'll be locked into their database, where you can join and participate and, get this. These are some upcoming studies that I think is really important for you to kind of know about. Um, Please do take a look at some of the studies that I think that are really good for you here. They have a child size study, um, and they tell you what ongoing through the end of June. Then they have a life experience study, and then they have an Asian food study. They have a technology study, an optical study, nicotine study. They have a pet study, a fruit study, a weight management study. So these are all the ones that they have, that you can kind of pick and choose and sign up from. Um, Compensation is good. Ooh, they have an Asian food study that's up to $125 per month. So this is really ongoing panel. It's for Texas residents only. Then they have this life experience one where it's online and in person from Austin, Texas, up to $400. And they tell you all the qualifications for this particular one. So just read through these ones, and I'll post a link in the description. And you guys have a great and wonderful day. Bye now.